Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to talk about Ethereum Classic and see what is going on. And if you remember, in the previous video we were right around these areas and I was saying in ETC we can consider the possibility of having a 1-2 and then another 1 or 2, maybe even another 1 or 2, and these are going to be basically on lower degrees relative to each other, suggesting that maybe soon we're gonna have like a huge move up into a series of wave 3, 4, 5s. But I was saying we need to be a bit patient and see Ethereum Classic getting a break of this important ascending channel on the upside, and then we do a consolidation above it and another move up, and at that point we can say, okay, you know what, maybe the 1-2 scenario is indeed happening. So what happened? Not only we didn't get a break of this channel on the upside, we're not even in it anymore, and we got a break of it on the downside, which is definitely not a bullish sign. Why is that? Number one, the shape of this move to me seems kind of impulsive and makes me say, you know what, maybe this is a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down into wave 3 on a higher degree, corrective movement for 4, and then we're gonna have maybe another move down into wave 5. This is the first reason for why I'm not really liking the current structure in ETC, and I do think we can have some more moves on the downside. The second reason, we talked about this subject also in the previous video. I was saying, if you see ETC breaking this channel on the downside, at that point, we're not really having a whole lot of strong support in here. So makes perfect sense for us to argue that the next target is going to be around the lows, because when you go on daily time frame, let's more. Okay, as you can see, this is kind of a big shadow, and around that we do actually have some clear gaps on some lower time frames, which were created as a result of this quick bounce back being way too quick. So in my opinion, gaps 95+% of the time are going to get filled, and well, makes sense to say in this move we are going to have a trip around the lows. Another very important reason for why this can continue a bit more, you see, in terms of support and resistances, we do have a support in here, but it's from daily time frame and it's actually all the way down here, and between this area to about here, not a whole lot is happening. So once more, we do reach to the same conclusion, and it's that maybe this move is going to continue. So for now, in Ethereum Classic, I think we can say, because we broke this channel on the downside, this might be kind of a bearish pattern indicating that our move up can continue possibly for another 24 to about 48 hours, and then, well, okay, I think it's safe to say nothing goes straight up or down, right? That's why we can expect after this move is over some sort of a recovery, but this recovery by itself is not that important. It's kind of predictable. What really matters is the shape of this move on the upside, and when we get something like this, trust me, we are going to make new videos and see what is going on, and can we at that point be a bit optimistic, or maybe we are going to be a bit more bearish than bullish. So for now, let's see what is going to happen to this move, which I think it might continue just a little bit more. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Ethereum Classic. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.